My mother was born in the Ukraine. Her father, who was born before the communist regime, spoke Hebrew and Yiddish. I remember in Israel he used to write us letters from Russia in Yiddish, and sorry, in Hebrew. But she was already a generation that grew up during the communist regime, which did not allow synagogues to exist, and therefore she understood Yiddish, but she did not speak Yiddish. And when my father, who was in Russia during the war, met her, he at first did not believe her that she was Jewish. So she said to him, "Ask me a question in Jewish, and I will answer you in Russian, and you will see that I understand." And when he realized that she was Jewish, he wanted to marry her. And they got married in 1945, August 23rd, 1945. And that was her ticket out of Russia. Because after the war, the Russians allowed the Polish people who fled into Russia, they allowed them to return to Poland. And that's when they left Russia and started a year of wandering, or more than a year of wandering in Europe, until my father got the permit to go to Australia. And I was born on the way.